Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. So on this channel we have talked a lot about the Galaxy S11 recently, but what comes today is probably the most disappointing news you will ever get about the Samsung Galaxy S11. Everything else so far have been a good news of sorts, including the 120Hz display, 108 megapixel camera, a 5000 mAh battery, 8K recording. That is all great stuff. But I guess there is always a wolf in the sheep cloth, and this bad wolf for the Galaxy S11 is how it looks. From the front, we have talked about it a lot on this channel. Samsung is using a similar display with the punch hole in the middle and very narrow bezels. Looks nice. But the real kick in nuts is this. I mean, it looks so bad that I'm out of words to how to describe it. Something which no one wants from a $1200 smartphone is to look like a $400 smartphone from the same company, no less. Galaxy A51, Galaxy A71 and the Galaxy S11 looks almost identical, and they are from the same company, and the price difference is really huge. So like, what are you thinking, Samsung? The Galaxy S10 had a very distinctive look with that horizontal strip of cameras, and I think it is one of the most recognizable back designs Samsung made in their whole history. And the Galaxy Note 10, although not as iconic as the S10, was good enough. But this is just garbage. It looks very hideous and something only a mother could love. Actually, scratch that, not even a mother could love that. The last time I was disappointed with a Samsung flagship design was the Galaxy S5 with all the weird holes and shit, and after that they have always made smartphones which looked good to me. I'll reserve my final opinion until I see this in person, but as of now I'm wishing that this is just a nightmare and I'm gonna wake up with a really good Galaxy S11 design. The cameras present in this weird looking assembly are definitely state of the art and probably will beat the crap out of Pixels and iPhone, but dude, I can't even look at it directly. I need UV glasses to look at it and still my eyes hurt. Like, that's the level of hideous this design Samsung has created for a $1200+ smartphone. Dude, that is insane. OnLeaks renders are usually right at the point, so the margin of error is slim to none. This is probably what we will end up having. Also, I would like to point out that this year's Galaxy S11 and S11 Plus will have much more differences as compared to the differences between Note 10, Note 10 Plus or S10, S10 Plus. These differences will also show up in physical design, so I hope, I really hope with all my fingers crossed, Samsung, please make that phone at least beautiful if you couldn't make this one. From the front we can see the bezels of the smartphones are a bit reduced and the hole punch is also a bit smaller than before. Samsung also moved the volume rockers and the power button from the left hand side to the right hand side, which is the opposite of the Galaxy Note 10. Personally, I never used the Note 10 for long enough, so I don't really know that was that frustrating or not, but the fact that Samsung did switch the sides could mean that they were getting some negative comments about that button placement. At the bottom we will find a charging slot, a speaker grill, a microphone, no headphone jack. Let me know your thoughts about this Galaxy S11. Do you like this new design? I absolutely don't. So go ahead, subscribe right now to the channel for more Galaxy S11 videos and other phone updates. Follow me on Twitter for quick tech updates. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and as always guys, thanks for watching.